Hello everybody, it's now 30% download and installing. The chapter of the preview data will structure itself into the fifth array before it lines up into 243241, which is the oil wave in the machine. The machine can tell you the story of the provision to structure itself into the division of the complexity. Network 1. If the oil is based upon the alignment of time for the sun, it will burst into hell. In Lucifer, the transcode system will form into 245. To pin out the door of heaven based upon the machine, it will array itself into the third performance. The performance of network CE892149464241 by the subject of the storyteller, it will preview the data by selecting the network before you hire me to the transcode. The transcode of the formula of B128921 is by the spirit energy. In time, it will reweave the material. The material is 5 cell E819. For my brother Tan Kao, the democracy of law based upon implementation and network, it will require cell E8141. So, I hope, because he works at JB Hi-Fi, I hope JB Hi-Fi sells Windows 11. Thank you. So, it's 30%, so I can't record. I can upload to YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.